Totally. Check it, mate. Over here. Spin around.
Woke up this morning from the strangest dream.
Okay, mate.
I was in the biggest army the world has ever seen. We were marching as one on the road to the Holy Grail.
And we're out of the free fall. Okay, now in free fall, just shake the body like a banana. Hips forward, head back, feet trying to kick down the front.
Hell of a story when you spend your lifetime trying to get your hands on the Holy Grail.
Okay, yeah, tap, tap, arms out, and then yeah, kangaroo.
But have you heard about the great crusade? We ran into millions and nobody got paid. Yeah, we raised 4 corners of the globe for the Holy Grail. All the locals scattered, they were hiding in the snow. We were so far from home, so how were we to know? Maybe nothing left to plunder when we stumbled on the Holy Grail. We were full of beans, but we were dying like flies. And those big black birds, they were circling in the sky. And you know what they say, yeah, nobody deserves to die. No, I've been searching for an easy way to escape the cold light of day. I've been high and I've been low, but I got nowhere else to go. There's nowhere else to go.
Freestyler, rock the microphone, carry on with the freestyler. I got to throw on and go on, you know I got to flow on. Select us on your radio, play us, cause we're friendly for ozone. But that's not us, so hold on, tight as a rock the mic, right? Oh, excuse me, pardon, that's a synchronizer with the analyzer. Upcoming vibes the session, let there be a less impression. You carry protection, now will your heart go on like Celine Dion? Come a chameleon, yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone, yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone. Styles, stilos, we bring many kilos, so you can pack yours from the barrios. Ambitious, nutritious, delicious delivery is ambitious. Just tell us we deliver anything from acapellas to propellers. Suckers get jealous, try to soap like marshmallows. You know they can handle us, malas. Here we come scandalous, so who the fuck is Ella? Ship from Buckingham Palace. Yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone. Yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone. Yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone. Yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone. Freestyler, rock the microphone, carry on with the freestyler. Yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone. Yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone. Yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock the microphone. Yeah, straight from the top of a dome. As a rock
This is good.
God! Way to go! Tripling. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, my tripling. I didn't feel very good.
What do you think of free fall, mate? Let's do it again. Alright! God, too many muffins! Nice. See ya.
Hello, we're on Kevin's Ross 930 yacht in Auckland Harbour. The Volvo Round the World Cup competitors are about to leave. They are right in front of us now. They are heading to Cape Horn. See if I can zoom in on them. No. There are 8 competitors in all. However, there are hundreds of little and it's quite a sight.
Oh my god, I'm really going to get hit by all these big waves on this big fucking book platform. Oh god.
We have a bit of a rough sea at the moment, and we have Kevin Mark at the helm, and Operation Coast Guard has just gone by. And here's our coxswain now. He's smiling. I don't know what he's got a lot to smile about, but there he is. He's drunk. I think he's drunk. But we're having a nice old ride. Here's our co-pilot, Will. Well, maybe he won't, I don't know, but it's Will. And he's got his bottle out and his drink. And it's seriously rough here. The pump here.
Oh, right.
Follows the yacht. Oh, well, I think I can have another round.
Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah. Don't short him. Yeah. This is going to get us into calmer waters, see?
Yeah. It's not big water, but if you get... We'll get around the corner a bit. Might even be able to 2 laps.
I know.
The old mountain jumps up on the hill.
Oh, yes, son. Look. What's the hill called?
North Head.
North Head. flat.
Oh yeah, it's like a mill pond.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing, not a ripple. Remember that day we woke up in Dizzy Bay?
Yeah.
Dizzy Bay?
Oh, Islington Bay.
Islington.
Looking at me. There we are.
Hello, Mr. Mark.
Hello there.
How you doing, all right?
Oh, well, yes, I'm sort of comfortably numb.
You realise that you're popping out of your trousers, you don't know?
Oh, not a lot to pop.
Normal reaction, putting her legs together. Today we're coming into Auckland Harbour.
Yeah.
Kindly note that, Sarah, I'm now talking to you, Sarah. Your father speaking. I'm drinking tea, Earl Grey tea with a tea bag.
Oh, why is your nose suddenly growing?
All over my nose.
We have in Auckland Harbour the entire New Zealand Navy. They were going to send it to Afghanistan, but they realised there was no port. However, these 3 ships are here, and they're an anchor. On my left-hand side, there's our news reporter from New Zealand Air, Mr. Mark. I can't home in on him, but yes, we got him. Approaching the Auckland Harbour Bridge, which is the main bridge that connects the main part of North Island to Northlands. The boat's been jogging around a bit. I'm very glad that the power has to give way to wind over here, otherwise we'd have had several crashes by now. Here's another little gin palace under motor, approaching us from the stern, obviously on his way home for a large gin and French tonight.
Yeah.
We have a bit of mutiny on board at the moment, but other than that, our main pilot, Mr. Marks, has decided to climb the crow's nest, and he suddenly realised that we haven't got one. However, he's doing a very good job, and that's the way it is.
Here we are. Martinez sailing. This is where we're heading.
We've just had a comment from our captain here that we don't think that this little boat we're on will actually fit under Auckland Harbour Bridge. But we're going to have a run at it, and if we get stuck, well, it'll be like a dart match. We'll have to dig ourselves out.
It's that end that we're worried about.
It's that end. Oh, right. I hope. We're now going to the navigator, who's giving his comment as well.
He just doesn't quite know where he's going.
No, but
The navigator hasn't a bloody clue where we are, other than there's a bridge in front of us.
3 degrees, what does it mean? Gotta go for the high, but
I know we're going back to the guest because she's the only sober one here, and she hasn't a bloody clue, not a faintest clue where we are. We just know we're in Auckland Harbour. We're now taking a shot of the skyline of Auckland, which is pretty impressive.
those 2 must be residential, Kevin.
Well, you used to live in that area, around the corner.
Yeah.
I'm now going to zoom in on the tower that Sarah climbed.
She didn't climb, she went up in the lift.
Well, she went up in a lift and climb it, but the way she spoke, she was quite exhausted when she got out of the lift. However, there it is. There's the tower, and she can now see it from the bay. We have a smart-ass Kiwi coming up on his ski bike. There are loads of those in the bay. Filming our boat across the boom, and we're going straight up the mainsail, and we're at the top. I think I was told there was a crow's nest up there. No, there isn't. We'll try and home in on it. There is no crow's nest.
See, you want a new sail, don't you? Yeah. I mean, so shall we go for it?
Of Auckland Bridge.
That's what you should do.
Approaching the centre span of this bridge, and the designer and captain of this boat, Mr. Mark, he doesn't think we'll get under it, so he's advised us where the where the life jackets are, so we can abandon ship at any moment. I'm going over to the navigator now for his last words. If we have to abandon the ship, we know exactly what we have to do. We're now under the span. We're about to go under the span. Martina's navigating, and I think we're gonna hit one of the side struts. Well, we're all right. Yep, I'm told we're all right. Yep. And there we are. You can see the span just coming over us. But hang on a minute. No, I think we will probably clear it. It's like a Formula 1 race. It's quite good, and you start sweating. Kevin suggested we lower the mast through the bottom of the boat. Oh! Here we go. Here we go. We've got it. We've got it. We've got the bridge. Yep, and we haven't had to lower the mast, or have we? No, we shaved it a foot off it.
That was a close call.
But I think, yeah, that was a close call. But I think we managed to. Kevin had this wonderful technique of being able to lower the mast through the bottom of the boat, then jacking it up again. It was wonderful. I'm learning some navigational skills here. It's great. The boom has just crossed my head. It's like being in a pub at closing time. You know, a load of drunks trying to turn this thing round. Oh dear, oh dear. There's Kevin, he's decided he's had enough of it.
You and I, when we first... Yeah, no, we'll go and get it.
Go and get
We just had a most unfortunate situation that our captain has lost his headgear, and we're now about to turn 3 times to try and recover it. The boom has just come crashing over my head. The skipper here is fighting tooth and nail to keep this thing in line, but we're going back for his cap. Well, we managed to retrieve the captain's cap after going about at least 8 times. Martina, having been hit on there by the boom, hit on the shoulder by the boom, and nearly broken her arm by the boom. Is my missus having a right old drink on board? Never stop her.
Don't you call me Mrs. I hate you.
You don't like that?
No.
What, that?
Oh, Mrs. Oh. This is my Mrs. Oh.
You are...
Here's young Kevin. He's been learning a thing or two. While he was sat there, he taught I a few things as well. We've now got sight of a trading boat from Wellington, and as you'll probably see, it has a garden on the rear deck, and Kevin assures me that they have a staff of a head gardener and several under gardeners to collect the lemons in the morning. We are now heading back towards our berth, and there's a couple of quite interesting ships coming in. One right in front of us now, which is some form of heavy-duty job. The other one to the left is a tall ship. It looks fantastic. I'll try and zoom in on it. The boat's a bit rough at the moment. No, we can't do that.